Chibale municipality lagged behind.
Chibale municipality yajirire mabega
because we left you out.
Kubanga twakuleka.
This time
akaseera omulindi guno
I am humble.
Newuubese.
We have been praying.
Tubadde nga tusaba.
And allow me.
Era nzikiriza.
Congratulate you in advance.
I want to wish you a happy festive season and especially a happy new year. I know you're going to be here until midnight, but may God see you through the old year and carry the blessings for 2025, 2026. Our wishes, our aspirations, and our commitment to God. I want to thank Pastor for the kind words, and New Eden Church for prayers and for the support. I do not take it for granted. I also want to thank my sister who keeps calling me. And for following up, tell us that there were people in church for us to come and say hello. For the record, I'm Lydia Wanyoto Mutende. And the people of Bombare, when he was traveling from the city, they gave me big sister. The title of a big sister. Because Mbale was not on the first phase. But we mobilized and overturned the decision of cabinet, and Mbale was in the first phase. For me, I was in the group of the youth. I commanded the youth together. So since then, I am big sister as well. The whole of country, the whole of Uganda, they call me big sister. But I want to thank God for this. And thank you for praying for me. It's very refreshing, and I'm very humbled to know and to affirm that there are people who intercede for me, because mine is a big battle. And it happened in the primaries. The NRM primaries in the past have been very difficult. But this time people told me, being calm, I was not sure. I kept convinced we are going to give you, and indeed, my results were out by midday, and after they announced me, it said raining. And I got overwhelming support. My vote was over 90%. I have since realized the beauty of the biblical beauty of what God says. My patience has been tested. My resilience has been tested. And God has taught us that we have to be patient and look up to Him. And also it's biblical to say that there is time for everything. Like Pastor has said, he has already congratulated. I think this is my time. I want to say that this is my time. So thank you so much. I am trying to go around and to meet people, just reaffirm, because when God pronounces Himself, you should also be ready. So I'm trying to work out so that I'm ready when God says yes, so that the 15th of January I will be the victorious.